Hello, my dear friends. I hope you all are fit and fine. I have brought another lesson today, and that is means of communication. See, we talking to anyone is communication, but there are other ways of communication also in which we exchange our thoughts, our ideas, our feelings. And there are different means by which we can share these things. So, in this chapter, we will learn about the different means of communication and what is communication. Both we will learn in this chapter. So, first, let us understand what is communication, and then what are the different means of communications. When we talk or write to someone, it is known as communication. We communicate with people to exchange ideas, thoughts, and information. In the olden days, people used to send messages either through people or pigeons who acted like messengers. Today, we have different methods of communication, which are known as the means of communication. Let's understand different means of communication through a video.
By speaking, writing, seeing, reading, and through our actions. When the school bell rings, we know that the period in the class has just begun or has come to an end. In the olden days, messages were sent from place to place through pigeons. These pigeons were trained and were known as messenger birds. Messages were written on paper and tied to the legs of the pigeons. Messages were also sent through men. They would go on horseback and carry messages from one place to another. Importance of communication in modern life. Science has helped the modern world to communicate better. A telephone is the fastest means of communication. Radio and television help us to communicate with many people at the same time. They are good sources of news and information. They broadcast or telecast a variety of programs and also the weather forecast. They also provide us entertainment. We also communicate through letters, postcards, and airmails. Letters and parcels are carried by trains, ships, or aeroplanes to many places, both within and outside the country. Newspapers tell us what is happening around the world. There are many more new forms of communication which help us to communicate quickly and easily. These are emails, telex, and fax machines. Emails are sent through computers. Nowadays, we have mobile phones which help us to communicate even while we are on the move. Satellites also help to send messages. I hope you have understood what is means of communication and how important it is to communicate with each other. Children, but remember, when you are communicating with anyone, you should be soft, you should be polite, and try to speak positive words. I hope
you have understood the chapter. Thank you.